Hello dear students, how are you? I hope all are fine. Today I am going to teach you chapter 5, the Southern Plateaus and the Islands part 1. Yes, the Southern Plateaus are located to the south of the Northern Plains. They are triangular in shape and are surrounded by hill ranges. The surface of the plateau region is rocky and uneven. As you can see, this is triangular in shape. Okay, and this is located, this is surrounded by hills, hill ranges. Okay, and which type of surface is found here? That is not even, ये हर जगह से even नहीं है, ये कहीं से rocky है. Okay, and this is table like land. Okay, and most of the rivers in the southern plateaus are not as long as those in the northern plains. And the rivers those are found in the southern plateaus. जो ये rivers यहाँ पर found हैं, तो बेटा वो किस तरह की rivers होती हैं? नॉर्दर्न प्लेन्स की जो रिवर्स हैं वो बहुत लॉन्ग होती हैं, और जो साउदर्न प्लेटूज की जो रिवर्स हैं वो इतनी लॉन्ग नहीं होती हैं. ओके, और जो इनकी स्पीड है, लेकिन किसकी स्पीड? जो रिवर्स यहाँ पर प्लेटू रीजन में फाउंड होती हैं उनकी स्पीड हाई होती है, वेयर एज, और जो इनकी स्पीड जो होती है रिवर्स की जो नॉर्दर्न प्लेन्स में फाउंड होती हैं वो है गंगा, यमुना, ब्रह्मपुत्र. सो दीज रिवर्स हैविंग द लो स्पीड. ओके, एंड ऑन देयर वे दे फॉर्म वाटरफॉल्स. और जब ये रास्ते में फ्लो करती हैं ये रिवर्स जो सदर्न प्लेटूज की, ये रास्ते में अपने वे में ये वाटरफॉल्स को फॉर्म करती हैं. ओके, एंड रिवर नर्मदा. River Narmada roughly divides the plateau region into two parts. ओके, जो रिवर नर्मदा है वो प्लेटू रीजन को टू पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करती है. एंड द सेंट्रल हाईलैंड्स टुवर्ड्स द नॉर्थ. फर्स्ट पार्ट कौन सा है? द सेंट्रल हाईलैंड्स, एंड दैट इज लोकेटेड इन द नॉर्थ डायरेक्शन, एंड द डेक्कन प्लेटू इज टुवर्ड्स द साउथ डायरेक्शन. ओके, नाउ द सेंट्रल हाईलैंड्स. The flow of these rivers draining in this region, namely the Chambal, the Sini, the Betwa, and the King, is from southwest to northeast, thus indicating to slope. And the southern part of the peninsula, south of the Vindhya, is known as Deccan Plateau. Okay, यहाँ पे जो साउथ में है that is the Deccan Plateau, and the upper part that is called, what do we call? Yes, the Central Highlands. Very good. You must have to follow. And listen carefully, everyone. The Central Highlands are surrounded by the Aravalli Hills towards the northwest. जो Central Highlands हैं, वो किससे surrounded है बेटा? वो Aravalli Hills हैं towards the northwest direction here at this place. Okay, and the Vindhya Ranges towards the south. Vindhya Ranges इधर हैं. Okay. And Chota Nagpur. The Chota Nagpur Plateau towards the east direction. Chota Nagpur Plateau here, यहाँ पर located है in the east direction, and the Rajmahal Hills towards the northeast. Okay, and the Malwa Plateau lies in the center. और Malwa Plateau की location यहाँ है. Okay. Many rivers of the Central Highlands join the Yamuna River and the Ganga from the south direction. Chambal, Betwa, as you can see the rivers. Okay, Betwa and other rivers join from the south directions. To the south of the northern plains lies to the southern plateau. It is triangular in shape. What is the shape? That is triangular. And it covers a large part of India. ये इंडिया का large part cover करता है. Which plateau? Yes, this southern plateau covers a large part of India. आप देख सकते हैं. Okay, the southern plateaus, and it is divided into two parts by the river Narmada. Upper part is known as Central Highlands, and the lower part is known as with the name the Deccan Plateau. Okay. Yes, you can see here Ravli Hills, Rajmahal Hills, and Eastern Ghats, Western Ghats. And here it It is surrounded by Aravalli Hill Ranges, Rajmahal Hills, Western Ghats and Eastern Ghats. ये जो प्लेटू रीजन है हमारा किससे सराउंडेड है? अरावली हिल्स, राजमहल हिल्स, सर्दर्न प्लेटूज, वेस्टर्न घाट्स एंड ईस्टर्न घाट्स. Okay, you can see the Deccan Plateau here. This is triangular in shape. Okay. Yes, the large area south of the Satpura Mountains is the Deccan Plateau. It is surrounded by the western and eastern Ghats. You can see here, this is eastern Ghats, this line, okay, and this line, this is western Ghats, okay. Yes, so are few of these rivers, Chambal, Betwa, Son, are the few rivers, okay, those flow through on this region, on the plateau region, okay. And the Chota Nagpur Plateau covers Jharkhand, northern Odisha, and the northeastern Chhattisgarh. The region has large deposits of coal and other minerals. बेटा इसमें जो ये प्लेट्यू रीजन है, छोटा नागपुर प्लेट्यू, इसमें क्या मिलता है? इसमें अपने को कोल और अदर बहुत सारे मिनरल्स इसके अंदर मिलते हैं. ओके, कोल एंड अदर मिनरल्स आल्सो फाउंड हियर. Yes, many parts of the Chota Nagpur Plateau is covered with the forest. Okay, or it is covered with many forests, and from which we get different kinds of wood and other forest products from these forests. Okay, now you can see through the map, Aravalli Hills are located here. Okay, on the north-west direction, and Malwa Plateau region is located in the central part. Okay, and the Vindhya Hill ranges. These are the yellow color shown. This is the Vindhya Hill ranges. This is located in the southern part of Malwa Plateau. Okay, and the Peninsular Plateau lies to the south of the northern plains of the India, as you can see in the map. Yes, this green portion, this is northern plains. Okay, ये नॉर्दर्न प्लेन्स है हमारे इंडिया के, और इसके जो साउथ डायरेक्शन है, इसका साउथ ये है. सो दिस इज ब्राउन, लाइट ब्राउन कलर. यू कैन सी दिस इज द प्लेट्यू रीजन. ओके, is large parts of Deccan Plateaus have black soil. And which types of soil is found here in the Deccan Plateau? Black soil. Okay, and cotton is grown, very good crop that is grown here in a large quantity, and sugarcane also grows very nicely, very well in these regions, in this plateau regions, in the black soil. Okay, and dams have been built on many of these rivers. For example, the Nagarjuna Dam on the river Krishna. These dams store water for irrigation and provide electricity. Okay, as you know, the dams are built to generate electricity. Yes, and many more other things. And Namda Valley, Central Highlands and Deccan Plateau region, you can see here. And the Namda Valley divides. Namda Valley किसको divide करती है? The Southern Plateau rivers into two parts. To the north, it is called Central Highlands, and to the south, it is called the Deccan Plateau region. Okay, this is in triangular in shape. These are the northern plains. This is eastern Ghats, you can see, and these are the western Ghats. Okay, and this is our desert region, Indian desert. Yes, now which types of, what is the difference, main difference between the rivers? Those are found in northern plains, and the rivers that is found on the Deccan Plateaus. In rivers के बीच में क्या difference है? So now I'm going to explain. You listen carefully now. These rivers, the rivers which are found in the northern plains are perennial. What is the meaning of perennial rivers? Having water throughout the year. The rivers which are found on the northern plains, they are having the water throughout the year in all the months. Okay, river Ganga, Yamuna. यस, ऑल मंथ्स में, सारे मंथ्स में इसमें वाटर अवेलेबल होता है, क्योंकि ये हिमालयन माउंटेन से ओरिजिनेट हुई हैं, और ये आइस मेल्ट होती रहती है, और वो वाटर में चेंज होकर के रिवर्स की फॉर्म में फ्लो डाउन होता रहता है नॉर्दर्न प्लेन से. ओके, And the river, what is the difference between the rivers? Those are found on the Deccan Plateau. Okay, these are the seasonal rivers. Why do we call these rivers seasonal? Because these rivers depends on rain. क्योंकि जब rainfall होती है तभी ये rivers form होती हैं. Okay, and snow-fed rivers. These rivers, those are found in the northern plains, River Ganga, Yamuna, Brahmaputra, Indus. So these are the snow-fed rivers because they begins or starts from the Himalayan mountains. That is why they are called snow-fed rivers. Okay. These rivers which are found on the Deccan Plateau, these are the rain-fed rivers because whenever the rainfall comes, then only these rivers take place and forms and flows. And these rivers which are found on the northern plains flow slowly in speed on reaching the plains. ये speed में slow है comparatively than the river of those are found on the Deccan Plateau region. Okay, the rivers which are found on the Deccan Plateau region, these rivers flow much faster. Okay, than the रिवर्स विच आर फाउंड ऑन द नॉर्दर्न प्लेन्स. जो नॉर्दर्न प्लेन्स वाली रिवर्स हैं वो स्पीड में स्लो मूव करती हैं और इनकी स्पीड जो रिवर्स डेक्कन प्लेट्यू पे हैं, जो प्लेट्यू रीजन में रिवर्स हैं, उनकी स्पीड बहुत हाई होती है. ओके, दे फ्लो मच फास्टर. The southern plateau is the southern part of the peninsula. South of the Vindhya is known as Deccan Plateau. Okay. As you can see, the Malwa Plateau, this portion you can see, this is Malwa Plateau. It is located in the central part of India. ये central part में है and आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर इंदौर and Bhopal, Gwalior, these are the important cities located here. Okay. Now, Chota Nagpur Plateau, Jharkhand, northern Odisha and northeastern Chhattisgarh, large deposits, coal and other minerals are found here on the Chota Nagpur Plateau region. Okay? Yes, the Malwa Plateau lies between the Aravalli Hills and the Vindhya Hills. It includes parts of Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh, and some important regions are Bhopal, Gwalior and Indore. Okay, and these rivers are found here on the Plateau region. These are the seasonal rivers: Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri. Okay. Yes, the tableland. The Peninsular Plateau is a tableland made up of the old crystalline, igneous and metamorphic rocks से बना हुआ है. And the plateau has broad and shallow valleys and rounded hills as well. Okay. And the Malwa Plateau forms western part of the Central Highlands and comprises the entire area between the Aravalli Range in the northwest and the Vindhya range in the south. Okay. Now you can see the pictures of Annamalai Hills, Nilgiri Hills, and Cardamom Hills. Okay. The Deccan Plateau extends from the river Nanda up to the southern tip of peninsular India, and Anamudi is the highest peak in this region. और जो अनामोदई है उसका वो बहुत highest peak है इस area में. And the Deccan Plateau is surrounded by the hill ranges, Eastern Ghats and the Western Ghats. Okay. The large area south of the Satpura Mountains is the Deccan Plateau, and it is surrounded by the Western Ghats, okay, and the Eastern Ghats. The Deccan is rich in minerals. Primary minerals ores found in this region are mica, iron ore, gold, and other metals are found in this plateau region. And all the river basins are good for agriculture. The chief crops of cotton, however, sugarcane, rice, and other crops are also common. Important cities: Hyderabad, Bangalore, Pune, Nagpur, and Aurangabad, Mysore, Kolhapur, Satara, Hampi, and Bijapur are located here. Now the island groups of India. The islands is any piece of subcontinental and that's surrounded by water. You can see this is a piece of land. It is surrounded by water from all sides. It is called an island. Okay. And now very small islands such as emergent Land features on atolls are called islets. Okay, a key or K is another name of the small island or islet. Okay, this is the group of small island group. Okay, and very small islands such as emergent land features on atolls are called island. Okay, and the island groups of India. These are of two. There are two groups: the Lakshadweep Islands and the Nicobar Islands. Yes. Very small islands such as emergent land features on atolls are called islets. A key or K is another name of the small island groups. Okay, and now Andaman and Nicobar Islands, they are bigger in size and are more numerous and scattered. The entire group of the island is divided into two broad categories: the Andaman in the north direction and the Nicobar in the south direction. The Andamans and Nicobar Islands are separated by the channels. The 10-degree channel, some 150 km wide. Okay, and the Lakshadweep Islands. Kavaratti is the administrative headquarters of Lakshadweep Islands. This island group has great diversity or flora and fauna. What is the meaning of flora and fauna? Yes, now plant life and animal life. Having great variety means different types of animals and plants are found here on Lakshadweep Islands. Those are very amazing. Okay. Yes, thank you and have a nice day. I hope you have subscribed my channel. If you have not subscribed yet, so please subscribe my channel and like the video and comment.